Hello, and welcome to the Auto Empowered YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be creating a video on replacing the Bank One Sensor One oxygen sensor on a 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk with a 3.2 liter V6. Now, this vehicle has been running a little bit rough, and the check engine light has been coming on and off intermittently. The codes that it is displaying is P0132, which is O2 sensor circuit high voltage bank 1 sensor 1, as well as P0300, which is a random multiple cylinder misfire detected. Now, the random cylinder misfire is a symptom of the O2 sensor not reading correctly. I've driven the vehicle with a scan tool connected and watching the O2 sensor live. And what happens is that the Bank One Sensor One O2 sensor all of a sudden displays very high voltage. So there's something internally wrong with this O2 sensor. So this video doesn't actually exist on YouTube on how to replace this sensor. So I'm going to show you how to go about doing it on your own Cherokee. To start the process, we are going to remove the engine cover by pulling up firmly. There are two clips on each side. Then we will be removing the negative battery terminal that's just off screen here. Now we're going to move to the intake tract on the passenger side of the vehicle. The first hose that you'll see us disconnecting is the hose between the air filter housing and the silencer chamber that's connected to the throttle body. You'll see now that I'm feeling around and finding various retaining clips for hoses and wiring harnesses, as well as the intake silencer tract itself. And I'm looking to remove those clips and sensors. Take your time here, go one by one. I had never actually worked on this vehicle before. This is my first time here. And the Haynes manual, as well as other advice online, didn't detail the process of taking this apart. So I really took my time to make sure that I took everything off and took it all off properly. In this part of the video, you will see me taking out the clips that are holding the silencer to the intake itself. You'll see I had to do a lot of fumbling around here. The clip was difficult to get to. Next, what you'll see here is me loosening the clamp holding the silencer to the throttle body. I removed the clamp. There really is no need to do that. It's just happened to loosen it completely. Now there's a clip that's holding a wiring harness that you'll see me working with here to pull that out. Now you're going to see me pull the silencer out. You need to give it a little bit of a wiggle to make sure everything is clear, and then pull it up from the back. It's attached to a post over there. Now, as this video switches over, you will see me zoom in to a portion where between where this silencer was at the back of the engine and between that and the firewall, and you will see the oxygen sensor. It's the part here with the wire sticking out of it that looks fairly oxidized. And this is the bank one, sensor one oxygen sensor that needs to be replaced. To do this, you will need a 7/8 inch or 22 millimeter oxygen sensor socket. You will not be able to remove this with a regular socket. You will need the socket, not the wrench style one, as it is a very tight fit to get in here. Before removing it, make sure you use plenty of penetrating oil to make sure that it comes out okay. I didn't show the removal of it itself or the reinstalling process, but that is essentially the full process to do this work. And that is the end of it. It fixed this particular issue. Thank you for watching, and join us next time for more clips.